Hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And as you can see, it says easiest 100 bucks ever, okay? And it's 12 vital questions for you. So I want to take you in. I want to share with you those 12 vital questions, okay? And see whether or not you are truly ready to earn the easiest 100 bucks ever. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so here we are with the first set of the vital questions. Are you ready to put on your thinking cap just for a moment? The first question: do you need extra income? Okay, and these are in no particular order, okay, just the way they came up. Number two, do you like direct payments to you? Number three, do you like daily pay programs? Number four, could you use an extra $1,000 per month or an extra $200 per week? Number five, what would you do with an extra $1,000 per month or an extra $200 per week? And number six, would you spend $100 one time to earn thousands of dollars? Okay, so stay with me for the second set of vital questions to see if you're ready to earn, okay, thousands of dollars with just 100 bucks out of pocket. Okay, so here we are, the second set of vital questions. Question number one in this set: would you like to grow financially and personally? Question number two: do you have 15 to 30 minutes per day to build a business? Question number three: do you think you have enough of what it takes to positively change your life? Number four, are you open to a new, potentially profitable money-making opportunity? Number five, are you into personal growth and development? And number six, does most of what was mentioned resonate with you? If not, thanks for your time. And if yes, check out my website in the description area of this video. Get all of the details and get started today with the easiest 100 bucks you'll ever make. Okay, that was pretty easy, huh? Pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty quick. There you have it. Make sure you grab the link now if you're serious about earning extra income from home, and you're serious about the questions that we did ask you. Make sure that you grab the link in the description area of this video. And we're going to share with you how you can make some really, really great income from the comfort and convenience of your own home. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.